Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how I make bread, honey fluffy bread without oven. Exactly what you see on the screen. Keep watching and see how I make this homemade bread without oven. Very soft and yummy. For your breakfast, you don't need oven to bake bread. Keep watching, let's dive into it. So first in the bowl, I have 4 tablespoons of yeast. Then I will go ahead and add 3 tablespoonfuls of sugar and mix to combine. Gently mix this to combine, and after mixing it, I will cover it and allow it to rise for 5 to 10 minutes. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning back. And don't forget to subscribe. So while that is aside, I'll go ahead and sieve 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So after that is aside, on a clean bowl, I add 250 ml of full cream milk, 1 fresh egg, and 3 tablespoonfuls of natural honey. This is our main flavor. If you want to add additional flavor, the choice is yours. But this is honey cake. So after adding my honey, the next thing I did is to add yeast already mixed, and then I'll stir this to combine. And keep watching. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe. All right, so the next thing I did is to add my all-purpose flour and then mix to combine. Mix this gently to combine everyone. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning back. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll be making more of baking videos from next year, so you are highly welcome to my channel. Delicious and yummy recipes are updated every week on this channel. So after mixing this, you notice it is not properly blend. So what I'm going to do is to just cover it to rest for 10 to 5 minutes before we continue mixing. So don't go away, keep watching. So after that, I'll add my butter, 65 ml of butter, and then I will mix this. At this point, I'm going to use my hand to mix the butter so it blends very well. Next, on a clean surface, spray all-purpose flour, maybe a handful, then transfer your dough to the clean surface and begin to knead. Exactly what you see me do on the screen. Knead this according to your energy, at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Knead until it becomes very smooth. The whole dough becomes very smooth, because after now we're not going to knead it again, so we need to knead it properly. So after 15 minutes, I grease my pan with a clean vegetable oil, and then I will transfer my dough and then rub the oil so it does not stick to the bowl when it rises. And then next thing, I will get a foil paper. You could use kitchen towel, but I go first with foil. Make sure it is properly covered. Then before placing it in one place, I will use kitchen towel or kitchen napkin to cover it and allow it to stay in the one place for 40 to 60 minutes. And after 40 to 60 minutes, you notice that it's rise very well. So you could see that the moment you punch it, it's bubbles up. So at this point, we're going to I'm going to spray it on a surface, the same clean surface. And at this point, we don't need to knead again. Now we're going to form our bread according to the shape we want. You could form yours according to the shape. You can make it into balls. You can just make it to a whole breading depending on the pan you are using. But watch and see the shapes that I formed with this very dough. Hello, if you've watched my video up to this point, don't forget to click the subscribe button and don't forget to like, comment, share my videos to your friends and family. I'll be leaving the links of my playlist to other yummy recipes on this channel on the comment section down below, and all the ingredients and their quantities will be at the description box down below. Thanks so much, genuine subscribers, for your support always. I really appreciate it. So this is the shape that I would like to make for this very homemade family bread. Tea breakfast. Breakfast is ready. You do not need to buy bread, or you won't say because you don't have ovens you can't bake your own bread. Watch and see how we bake this bread. It was super soft and yummy that I said let me share it with you, my dear friends and families. Okay, so I just grease the pan with butter. You could do that with butter or vegetable oil, and so it does not get burned. Let me know at the comment section down below what you think about this very recipe, and if you give it a try, give me a feedback. Let me know how it turns out. I just love how it comes out. It was super delicious, and the taste of honey takes it to another level. All right, so at this point, don't do what I'm doing right now. I could not find my brush, so I just have to use a teaspoon to spread the eggs to make it shine, you know, to make the body very smooth and shiny. So please use brush. So I'm going to be allowing this to bake for 40 to 60 minutes depending on your gas on a very low heat. So we are baking it on a pan, and after 40 to 60 minutes, this is what our bread turns out to be like. It was very yummy, fluffy, super soft and healthy bread. The honey takes it to another level. Everyone, just a little pinch, your finger goes inside. Well, I said let me share it with you, my friends and family. That is it. You can see how soft it is. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, stay connected. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Stay safe and see you in the next video, and bye for now.